Good afternoon, friends. Now we are seeing a job assignment problem which is unbalanced one. So in the subject operation research of module number 3. So here there are 4 different tasks, but the number of men or labor available is only 3. So it is unbalanced problem. So number of columns less than number of rows. So the given assignment problem is unbalanced one. So we are now adding dummy column because rows are 4 but columns are only 3. So fourth column that is taken as the dummy column. So that is the dummy labor with all the entries 0. So the revised assignment problem will be this. So dummy column is introduced with all the costs made as 0. So only out of 4 jobs, only 3 jobs can be assigned to 3 men. So one job to be declined. So which job to be assigned to which man and which job to be declined. So the first step as usual is row minimization. So since each row contains 0 here, so 0 is the lowermost element. Subtracting 0 from the other elements makes the table same. So there is no change in the table. So the matrix remains the same. Now step 2 is column minimization. So take each column, find the lowermost cost in each column, subtract from the remaining cost. So in the first column, 9 is the lowermost cost, subtract from the remaining elements. 9 minus 9, 0 here. 13 minus 9, 4. 35 minus 9, 26. 18 minus 9, 9. So like this, we arrive in the modified matrix. So the fourth column remains the same. It is having zeros. So second column, the lowermost element is 20. So 26 minus 20, 6. 27 minus 27. 20 minus 20, 0. 30 minus 20, 10. Similarly, the third column and the fourth column. So this is the column minimization matrix. Now, assignment. The intention of going for row minimization and column minimization is to have zeros in the table. So now make the assignment such a way that each row or each column will have only 1 0 and other zeros, 1 0 boxed and the other zeros should be crossed out. In first we will assign to the row where I have only 1 0. So only the last row is having 1 0. First I will assign to this 0. That is, I am putting box over this 0. So I have only 1 0 in the fourth row. So box it. If I go to the particular column, I have 3 more zeros. So in this column, I can have only 1 0 boxed out. So other zeros should be crossed out. So cross out all the other zeros. Okay, so if you come to this first row now, there are 2 zeros. One is already crossed out. So the remaining 0, so this will be the boxed one. Similarly, coming to the second row, already this 0 is crossed out. So the remaining 0 here is this, that should be boxed one. Similarly, if you come to the third row, this is already crossed out. So the other 0 left is now boxed 1. So now I have here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 number of assigned cells and the size of the matrix is also 4. So this is the optimal solution. Now task P is assigned to the man 1. Task Q is assigned to the man number 3. Task R is assigned to man 2. Task S is assigned to the man D. Here there is no availability of this dummy man D. D is not available. So I have only 3 jobs to be assigned, that is PQR to the 3 men 1, 2, 3. So the job number is to be declined because this dummy man is not existing. So no payment to him. So the cost is 0 to the dummy man. So the cost of assigning P to man number 1. So it is 9 units of currency. So 9 units. Similarly, the cost of assigning Q to man number 3. Q to man number 3. It is 6 units of currency. Then task of assigning R to man number 2. R to 2. It is 20 units of currency. So 20. Since as I said, so there is no man D here, he is dummy. So I cannot assign this job number S to anyone. So the cost is 0 here. The summation of the cost comes to 20 plus 6 plus 9. So 35 units. So if it is multiples of 10 means it is 350. Multiply of 100 means 3500 and so on. So this is how the assignment is made, so that finally all the 3 jobs PQR will be executed by assigning these jobs to these 3 men, such a way that so 35 is the lowest cost of performing all the jobs. Thank you.